Hi guys, hi, how are you doing? I hope mko salama. Welcome all to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Silver Remo, and finally guys, I'm here again with a new and exciting vlog to do. Yeah, that's funny. Yes. So here in Africa, and for a while it haven't been raining and it's feel like it's summer already. Yeah, so like this is how it feels like kuko in a summer, but anyway, that's not it. So again, let's have a look, let's have a walk around, let's enjoy this evening. Not actually evening, it's around 11 a.m in the morning. Let's enjoy and walk around this place. Yeah, this is welcome to Africa. Yeah. And guys, happy new year 2025. So far so good, it's good, we are here again. Yeah, I'm happy. This year I told you guys that I'll be pretty much consistent in what I'm doing. I'll be giving you a lot of content each and every time. Let's explore and have fun around Africa. And here we are. Sorry guys, I'm doing my vlogs alone, but I love doing it anyway. Yeah, because why not? I have to do what I like and what I enjoy most. Since it's early in the morning, I was like, let me walk around and enjoy myself in this place. Oh. From the comment below, let me know where you're watching my videos from, and if you like my videos, because you have to like them, because why not? You can't afford not to like my videos, as you just have fun and walk around. We have some there. I do like flowers, and each and every time I'm the one who just goes around and destroy flowers. I like this one. I can be a mess with flowers. I like them. I told you guys I can be a mess with flowers. I can just destroy them, but I do love flowers. This one here. Guys, I didn't know that content creation can be this difficult. Like, you wake up in the morning and you have to think what you have to post for that particular day. You have no idea, so but still you have to post something. So you just take your camera, and try walk around and create something for your fans, something that they will love and they will like it. Here guys, you have this kind of a farm. These are maize plantation. We have some cassava that were planted here like several months ago. I don't know if they are ready yet, so I'll go try and see if they are ready. Oh guys, look at this. This is a grown banana. It's a grown banana. I don't know if you can see me with this banana. It's a mature one. I do love bananas anyway. Look at that, guys. It's fully grown. But this one is not ready yet for harvesting. We still have to wait for some several months for it to be harvested. Yeah. Here we have this kaplan. This is guavas. They're still not ready. They aren't ready. I do enjoy walking around in this farm. I was coming to check on this. I was coming to check on these cassava if they are ready for harvesting. This one, guys, these are the cassava. I miss eating them, and I think they are ready. It's so big. The stem is a bit big. Now the problem is I can't harvest it on my own. I need some help. Yeah. I'll look for someone to come and help me harvest it. Using a djembe is a bit hectic for me, so I need someone to come and really help me to do it. Tell me from the comment below if you like cassava. For me, I do really enjoy them, especially for breakfast. I love them a lot. But also depends on how you cook your cassava. Some people, for me, I boil them and then fry them and then eat with some kachumbari. And it actually so good. It tastes so good for me, and yeah, that's how you like it. And this other end, I want to cross to this side, so this is what I'm doing. Hope I won't injure myself as I try to cross. This is the African life. It's already dry. It's almost ready for harvesting. Yep. This is how this place is. Welcome to Africa. This is the view. I know you like it. There is this plant. I don't know if it is in most of the parts of the country. This one. We call them strawberry. Guys, I have to go through this place. And it's easy because for me to jump over because I've been born here. And like for other people. Hope I won't injure myself as I try to do this thing. But I know how to. Guys, do you know this fruit? Let me see if I can get some in the other place. We have some strawberry here, but they're not good. They are not ripe. Yeah. Oh, guys, can you really focus when you see this? Let me try do it. This plant here, this one, we call it chelolik in our language. and this is how the fruit look like. You see, it's this one. I don't know if it can, yeah. It's so yummy and so nutritious also. I wish I can get one more which is ripe, then I show you guys. This is the beauty of Africa. You have this plant. I don't know the name of this one, but it's a fruit. This one is ripe. Let me try it. It doesn't taste anything. Each day we try to give you content. Guys, don't forget to let me know where you are watching my videos from in the comment section below. So this is how we fence our, this is a fence here. So for you it will look like a bush, but it's not a bush. Oh, our sukuma wiki are almost back. I told you, you know what guys, this sukuma wiki were eaten by cows. Like cows waliingia huko ndani na wakazikula sukuma wiki, and it's January guys. And there is no rain, and our sukuma wiki zilikulwa. I know you wanna laugh at me, at us, but zilikulwa na hizi ng'ombe. Let me show you our cows wenye walikula sukuma wiki zetu. Guys, these are our cows. This one. Yeah, hawa ndo walikula sukuma wiki zetu. Yeah. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video up to this part. Tomorrow I'll update you with something. I'll record something for you, so stay tuned, click in, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.